Presenting to you Naturally Green by O2H2O. Oreo, always exploring the garden, mostly with his nose. We realize the danger associated with this kind of a behavior, especially with usage of chemical fertilizers in the garden. So was born Naturally Green, an organic and natural solution. We started with hand packing of organic manure from our home. 3 orders in the first month, valued at $300. A year on, clocking 23,000 units at 11 lakhs plus per month. Our future focus. The organic manure and fertilizer industry is estimated to touch $1126 million by 2030. We attempt a 0.1% market share to hit 100 crore revenue. Our founders and our team are passionate gardeners themselves who aim to bring about the greens with no artificial means. We source our products from economically weaker regions, thereby ensuring rural employment and reverse migration of labor. We provide customized organic solutions to the urban gardener. All in all, ensuring environmental sustainability in the long run. Our certifications. What we have on offer: organic manure and fertilizer, a wide range of plant growth regulators and promoters, organic pesticides derived from natural sources, plant-based growing media, non-GMO seeds with genetic purity, high germination rates, widest variety of indoor and outdoor planters. Our processing and packaging units: composting, organic manure processing, manual machine packaging, semi-automatic packaging. Our warehouse, processing hub, order dispatches, connecting our products to B2B and B2C. Deliveries are scheduled the same day or within 24 hours of receiving an order. We have had very strong traction with our e-commerce partners, Flipkart, Amazon, Meesho and JioMart. Our offline trade and distribution, innovation and reach. Very strong presence in 60% plus of Bangalore nurseries. Happy channel partners, leading to higher customer retention and repeat purchase. Our latest forte on the D2C front, with our own website, strong traction on YouTube as an informative hub, strong follower base on Instagram, a 5-star review on Google. Let's hear it from our customers.
I'm an avid gardener for a couple of years now. This set of guys called Naturally Green.
Naturally Green products, I think, since around 6 months, and it's been a great experience.
Naturally Green is doing a wonderful job with their products. My plants are definitely happy for it, and so am I.
Thank you.